Alright, so first, you'll need to be a workspace administrator to change your standard or premium workspace to another plan. Now, to change your workspace's plan, expand the sidebar by clicking the arrow next to it. From the menu, select Billing tab. Here, explore plans to see the current upgrade and downgrade options for your workspace. Choose the plan you prefer, either standard or premium. When you change from premium to standard, your workspace will change to the new plan at the end of its billing period. When you change from standard to premium, your workspace will be upgraded, and you will be charged a pro-rated amount immediately. Keep in mind, if you start a premium trial on a standard workspace, your workspace will automatically upgrade to a premium workspace at the end of the trial. Before the trial ends, cancel the upgrade from your workspace's billing page. After selecting your plan, enter your card details and click Confirm Payment. And that's how you can easily change your Trello plan. If this guide helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.